Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact card type, micro SD, SD, or SDHC, so the adapter fits and the device recognizes it. Once done, inspect the adapter's metal contacts. Clean gently with a dry microfiber cloth if needed, because debris blocks signals. Make sure the device is powered off before you insert the card and adapter. This prevents write errors and electrical damage. Insert the micro SD into the adapter until it clicks, then align and slide the adapter into the device smoothly. You now orient the adapter using the label or arrow as a guide, because wrong orientation risks bending contacts. Slowly insert the adapter into the slot until you feel a soft click. If it resists, back out and recheck alignment. Forcing causes damage. Once seated, power the device on and confirm detection in Settings or File Manager, since detection verifies proper contact. If you need to prevent file changes, slide the right Protect switch. Remember to unlock it before copying files. You finish by transferring files and then using the device's Eject or Safely Remove option to flush caches. This avoids corruption. Once done, power down or use the release mechanism to pull the adapter straight out. Do not twist. If the device fails to detect the card, reseat it and retry, because poor contact is the most common issue. If problems persist, test the micro SD in another adapter or a dedicated card reader to isolate whether the card adapter or device is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.